Hey guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but I just moved my neighbour's cattle because a bit of land they were standing on just disappeared. But this creek here was usually only maybe a couple inches wide. My neighbour's driveway's under that there somewhere. Yeah, I've not seen this. This is insane. It's almost a... wow. Okay, I'm going to pause and I'm going to show you my big creek. This is usually only 5-6 feet wide. My neighbour's cattle were on that green patch. That was a big green patch. Oh, wow. Well, there goes my log wall that I did have. Crap. Wow. This is insane. Alright, let's look from another angle. Alright, if you can still hear me, if anybody remembers my walkabout videos, my jacuzzi is down there somewhere. So, yeah, I'm going to be looking for my pump line tomorrow, if I can go to work. I don't think I will be though. Alright guys, I'll move along just a touch more. Holy shite. Hey Macca, can you see my creek? Now I took a really beautiful photo down in here and I'll see if I can put it in. But holy, well, I know what that is. That's a tree that's across the creek. That is a... oh, wow. Actually, I just realised all that fence is gone. Crap. Oh, this corner's going to be awesome. We'll close with this corner. I'll be back in a sec.